Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Genome Study. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you will get the notification of all the new videos. In this video, I will tell you that how we can download the pathway map illustrator file, because when we want to show our genes or gene family working in a pathway or want to draw the pathway map in tbtool, so we need one of the most important file, that is the KEGG pathway map illustrator file. If we have this file, then we can easily draw the biosynthesis pathway and show our genes within the pathway. Then by doing this or mapping our genes in the pathways through tbtool, we didn't need the any pathway ID or any other information. We only need the protein sequences, and then we will do the pathway illustration file or map the our gene in the pathway, as I have told that whole story in the previous video. The link of that video is present in the video description, or you can also find at the end video screen that how we can use this file, this important file, to make the pathway map in tbtool. So how to do? Let's start. So when you check the video description, so you will find this link, that is the tbtool.cowtransfer.com, and this is a sequence. So you need to copy this link and then open any browser you are using, and here you can paste or control V and press the enter. Sorry, there is a problem in my net connection. So when you press the enter, so it will guide you to this window, and here is the tbtool KEGG map file, and it is about 27.89 MB, and click on download, so it will save in your destination folder. So when it is downloaded, it will appear in this icon like this icon, and its size is about 28.5 MBs. So this file you can use it in constructing the KEGG map, as I have done in my previous video. The link of that video is also present in the video description, and also you can show at the end screen. So this is all about how we can download that tbtool KEGG map file. It is very important file, so you can use it, and then you can use it in tbtool by constructing that. When you go to the go and KEGG pathway map illustrator, and from here that load local map database file, so you can click on it and then take that file where you have saved it, and then do the all other process for KEGG pathway map illustrator. So this is all about how we can download and use the tbtools KEGG map file. So hopefully it will help you. If you have any query, please comment. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.